Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can save a notepad file into the desktop. So I have this notepad file from here and I want to save it in my desktop. Well, the same thing as yours, do not worry, it's very easy thing to do. At the top, you'll find three tabs, File, Edit, and the View tab. All you can do is just simply click on the File tab. And here you will find this option Save As. Click on that. Then file name, you can change that from here. Save as type, leave it as default so that you can have a modifiable text. Then on the left pane, you will find desktop. Simply click on that. Now once you choose desktop, all you have to do is click on save and then close this. And there you go. You just have saved your notepad file into your desktop. So if you want to access into that notepad file, just need to look at your desktop and then double click on it. And that's it. You can now edit from here and add more text or modify the text as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.